Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking. Today's recipe is a very simple and interesting dessert which is usually made during the season of Ramadan, which is Malabi or otherwise known as Muhallebi. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. Dissolve 3 tablespoons of corn flour with a little water and keep aside. First, I'm going to boil 500 ml of milk. As the milk is heating up, add 4 tablespoons of sugar, 200 ml of fresh cream. Keep the flame on low and continue to stir till everything is well blended. Now finally I'm going to add the dissolved corn flour. Continue to stir it till it becomes nice and thick. You can actually notice that the mixture is thickening beautifully. You have to keep stirring it because you don't want any lumps to be formed, and using a whisk can be very helpful for mixing. Turn off the stove and then add the rose essence. The Malabi mixture is ready. Set it while it's hot in small glasses or dessert cups. So you can refrigerate this for about 4 hours minimum, or you can even refrigerate it overnight so that it sets well. Now the Malabi is set beautifully. Now I'm going to top it with rose syrup and chopped pistachios. So there you go. You can see how simple this dessert is, and it's very refreshing. So do try and enjoy this delicious dessert. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.